So, a friend of mine asked me to make a dice rolling tray for him. And so, we're basically just building an open ended box with a little storage area here where you can put dice, and then a system place here where you can roll dice. And it's all going to be made out of cherry. We're going to add a little felt in here, and that's basically it. Should be quick, should be easy. I'm going to try to do box joints on the side, or we'll do miters and do like maybe walnut keys right there. That might look nice. We're going to put rabbits here, do that, and the whole thing will be 10 inches by 8 inches, and this little cutout will be 2 inches, leaving an 8 by 8 surface on the inside here, minus the thickness of the walls. So, we're going to look through all my wood. We're going to find some cherry. I got some felt already from an old project left over, so we can line the bottom of it with felt, line this inside with felt. We might even line here with felt too. That way we can get away, use plywood for the base, and it'll all be covered, and the cherry will only be on the side because I don't have a lot of cherry laying around. So, dice tray. And let's roll some dodecahedrons. Alright, so this is the inside. This is the inside, this will be the bottom of it. And I purposely cut the rabbets in the bottom of the base of the tray so that it would take into effect the felt that I'm going to put on this. So that way it all sits flush under there. So, because I know from past experience trying to stick the sticky felt onto this while I was in the thing, giant pain in the butt. So what we're just going to do is we're just going to put it on like that. Get it clean. Cut around the edges. And then we'll go. And then we can install it in the bottom of the box. Here's our tray, outside of our tray, and then we'll take this in there, like that. We're not really getting it all down. Flip it over, and now it looks all nice and neat. Now we need to pop these clamps off, give it a sand, pop this tray back out, give it a spray finish, round off these corners a little bit, fill in anything we don't. Set that aside. Go back over to the table, sand it up, almost done. A lot of twos. That's pretty good. Look how cute it is. It's so tiny. I mean, like this is here. Pencil? Yeah, look at this. Like, pencil eraser for scale. It's so cute.